You're not ready for this at all. Cryptocurrency market Coinbase and xrp+ripple have begun working together. They are working together against the SEC because it's about millions of dollars. It sounds crazy, but it's true. That's pretty cool, right? Even more interesting is the idea that this partnership could raise the price of XRP to $130. You shouldn't skip this movie. Your life might change a lot. Let's get right to the point without any more nonsense. Nota bene. A lot of people in the crypto world are paying attention to the current court case between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission. Recent events hint that xrp+ripple's luck may be about to get better, in part because Coinbase is involved and there are some interesting rumors about the CEO of the exchange. In Coinbase's ongoing battle with the SEC, District Judge Catherine Polkfella recently gave the company a partial win. The judge told the SEC to give Coinbase important papers about how it works and its dispute with the government agency. This decision is a big step forward in the case because Coinbase wants to know more about how the SEC makes decisions that could affect the whole crypto community. At first, Coinbase wanted a lot of papers, like internal notes, to see if tokens pass the Howey test, which is a very important test for figuring out if an asset is a security. Even though not all of Coinbase's requests were granted, the decision is still a very important step in their defense. Paul Grewal, Coinbase's chief legal officer, was happy with the result and said that it would help the company build a strong defense against the SEC's claims. This legal fight has also made it possible for Ripple to go to court with the SEC. The government agency recently dropped its charges against Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larsson, two leaders at Ripple, a move that has led to rumors that an appeal is coming soon. The fact that Ripple strategically put 111% of the money judgment into a bank account says that they are trying to get the case put on hold. Mark Fagel, who used to be the regional director of the SEC, has said what an appeal might look like and mainly talked about whether Ripple's automated sales could be called securities sales. Fagel says that the appeal is more likely to look closely at how Ripple makes sales, instead of going against the court's decision that XRP is not a bond. Bill Morgan, a lawyer, agrees with this point of view. He reassures XRP users that the main decision, which is that XRP is not a security, should stay the same even if some legal details are looked at again. Coinbase's part in this story is to add another layer to the story. A lot of people think that Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase, might be hiding XRP, even though it hasn't been proven. This rumor shows how complicated the relationships between different interests are in the crypto realm. If this is true, it could mean that the company is aligning its strategy with Ripple's legal fights. This could have an effect on how the XRP market works. This relationship has been talked about on social media, with Crypto Barbie adding her 2 cents. In a tweet, she said that Coinbase and Ripple are putting $146 million into the 2024 elections. This tweet emphasizes how much money is at stake and gives a look at the bigger strategic moves these powerful players are making. It's impossible to overstate how important it is that Coinbase is involved. Coinbase is a big exchange with a lot of resources and power, and their backing could give Ripple a big advantage in its court case against the SEC. The exchange's work to find important papers could help Ripple better fight regulatory claims and make its case for why XRP is not an investment. That's not all, though. This court battle end. Coinbase's strange actions are just the beginning. There's a lot more at stake than meets the eye because XRP+ripple could make a big comeback, even though its price has been going down lately. Find out what these changes might mean for the future of XRP and why you won't want to miss the next part of this high-stakes crypto story. Recently, the XRP community has been very excited and full of guesses. This is especially true since XRP Avenger asked a very interesting question about the possibility of XRP reaching $130. The question got a lot of different answers, showing how different people in the XRP army feel and what they think. One important feeling was summed up by a simple answer: I'd sell some. This response shows a common approach used by experienced investors, capitalizing on significant price increases by securing profits while keeping some exposure for future growth. This level of caution makes sure that buyers can lock in gains without giving up any chance to make more money. In contrast, another user said, I will laugh and cry at the same time, which perfectly summed up how many people feel about XRP. A lot of investors have a strong link to XRP and have believed in it for a long time. This is especially true for those who have been through legal battles and market volatility. To these dedicated holders, seeing XRP hit such a high value would be both a financial and an emotional win. Skepticism, on the other hand, is still common. One user said the idea was just a big dream for losers, which shows that some people are skeptical about XRP's long-term promise and its ability to reach such lofty goals. Even though XRP has had problems and underperformed in the past, this doubt is different from the optimism of other community members who see the token's future promise. Some answers were better planned. Someone said they would sell their first property and keep the rest. A plan to get back the initial investment while still leaving some room for possible future gains. This method strikes a balance between the need to lower risk and the trust in XRP's long-term worth. Then there was the more random answer: we are buying a plane. Such a comment shows how a price increase of this size could completely change people's lives, making what many people think of as an impossible dream a real one. XRP is trading at about 52 cents right now, so it would have to go up by an amazing 26,000% to hit $130. Even though this number seems crazy, it's important to remember that XRP has had huge jumps in the past. Well-known experts have suggested some possible ways for XRP to get to such high levels, but this is still just a guess. When it comes to cryptocurrency, where predictions can often seem like crazy ideas, it's important to be patient and have faith. As the Us.Thankx tweeted, "How careful you are is more important than how much money you put into XRP." This feeling is strong in the community and shows how dedicated many people are to XRP in the long run, despite its current price and market conditions. There's more to this story than meets the eye, though. There are huge trades going on between whales, involving billions of XRP Ripple coins. Everyone wants to know, do these big players point to a bullish or negative trend? What effect will what they do have on the price of XRP? The stakes could not be higher since the prize pool could still go up to $130. Stay tuned as we break down the world of crypto whales and figure out what it all means for the future of XRP. In Binance's most recent Proof of Reserves report, some interesting changes have been found that could have big effects on XRP Ripple and the crypto market as a whole. As of September 1st, Binance's report shows that users' stocks of major cryptocurrencies have dropped significantly. In particular, the amount of Bitcoin assets on the site has gone down to 605,000 BTC, which is a 1% drop. Ethereum stocks, on the other hand, have dropped by 4% to 4.4 million ETH. On the other hand, USDT shares have grown to about 22 billion, which is a big jump of 4%. This is because 919 million USDT were added since the last report. This change is a sign of a bigger trend. People are moving away from assets that are easy to lose value, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and towards stablecoins. The fact that the number of stablecoins has grown by 59% to over 2 million coins shows how stable people want things to be. As things have changed, XRP has also changed. The amount of XRP that Binance users own has dropped to 2.75 billion, which is 174 million less than in August. Even with this drop, Binance still holds over 2.7 million XRP to protect all user funds, even though this number is 6% less than the previous month. A lot of XRP is leaving Binance, which makes me wonder how people feel about the market. There are several possible meanings for the drop in XRP funds. On the one hand, this could mean that buyers are pulling their money out of XRP in favor of assets that are easier to sell, like stablecoins. As traders choose to stay out of more volatile situations in favor of safer ones, this could be seen as a sign of caution. There is, however, a good side to this trend. People are moving towards stablecoins, which could lead to more money coming back into assets like XRP in the future. These crypto cash savings could be put back into XRP and other cryptocurrencies when the market conditions improve or good news comes out. This could start a new wave of growth. There is no way to ignore the effect that whale behavior has on XRP. Whales, people who own a lot of XRP, can have a big effect on the market. If these whales decide to put some of their huge shares back into XRP, the price could go up by a lot. The market often keeps a close eye on their actions. A coordinated effort to buy back XRP could give it a boost, luring in more buyers and raising the price. There is still no clear answer to the question of whether the current drop in XRP stocks is just a short-term change or the start of a bigger market shift, and the mood of investors changes. There is still a chance that XRP will experience a comeback. People are choosing stablecoins over traditional paper currencies, which could mean they are ready to get back into the market when things get better.